Season's greetings. This is Kobayashi-Reid, Director of Finance and Operations, coming to you with a brief COVID holiday update. A little over a month ago, we were hopeful no further restrictions would be required to get us through the holiday season. Omicron has definitely thrown a wrench into the holiday plans for many of us, and I understand the heartbreak many are feeling at the thought of a second Christmas away from your loved ones. Our understanding of Omicron is that it is very contagious and can be passed on more easily through the air. With the provincial government revising their guidelines, Momiji is also changing our rules to what we feel is best for the safety of our community. Living at Momiji has many benefits, but at times sacrifices must be made in order to protect the community as a whole. Since Momiji is a congregate setting, it means that it's not just one senior or family at risk, but the well-being of all of our residents and staff are on the line when we make these decisions. That being said, our goal is to balance safety with mental wellness. We certainly don't want any of our wonderful residents spending the holidays alone without company and holiday cheer. For visitors coming to Momiji, here is what we ask of you. Please limit the number of visitors to 1 per unit. We know that may not always be possible, but please try. We recommend, if you can, that you connect the rest of your family virtually to your loved ones here at Momiji. Please wear your mask properly. Ensure that it's tight around your nose and still covers your mouth when you talk. Please wash your hands frequently and encourage your parents or grandparents to do the same during your visit. Limit touching surfaces in the common areas. Our staff are sanitizing frequently but cannot do it after every visitor. Visitors must sign in and complete the screening form, then proceed directly to your family member's apartment. Please do not visit multiple apartments since it makes contact tracing more difficult. Do not congregate in the common areas. Although you and your family have agreed to meet in person, other tenants may not be as comfortable, and the common areas are there for their use, to exercise and walk around safely. Quick lobby drop-offs will be permitted, but please limit the visit to 5 minutes to avoid crowding in the lobby. Your loved ones will be required to come down to get the packages as our staff are unable to handle the volume of deliveries. To our valuable residents, please ensure you inform Momiji staff if you are heading away to your families for the holidays, so we know whether or not you require a daily check. When you return to Momiji, we kindly request that you self-isolate and allow Momiji staff to screen you and clear you before you return to regular activities. If you have decided to stay isolated from the outside community, consider checking with your neighbors to see who else may be alone for the holidays. Please respect the posted capacity limits on the rooms in Momiji and wear your mask properly at all times. Please stay home and contact support services if you have any symptoms that may resemble COVID, a cold, or the flu. Here is a brief update on our plan for programming. Effective immediately, in-person group activities have been suspended. Virtual programming will be increased, and our most vulnerable seniors without internet access will be our top priority for one-to-one assistance. The Toshikoshi party, which was scheduled for December 30th, will now be by delivery only, assuming we are still able to get the volunteers to come out to prepare the food. The Christmas concert, scheduled for December 23rd in the auditorium, will now be replaced with staff going floor to floor, singing carols, allowing our tenants to join in from their doorways. Our J-Town shopping trip scheduled for this week has been canceled, and a staff member will now complete the shopping and deliver the items directly to the tenants. Grocery shopping delivery will be increased to ensure seniors who do not feel comfortable heading to Metro will still have access to food. Our staff are dedicated to finding ways to deliver virtual or one-to-one programming to keep everyone active and safe. The situation is ever-changing, so unfortunately this is likely not the last round of changes for things at Momiji during this pandemic. Please stay tuned to our Facebook page for announcements for new virtual events, changing restrictions, or other advisory notices. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a safe and happy holidays. I am looking forward to the day when we can all return to normal and bring back that vibrant buzz to Momiji that we have missed out on while our community has been unable to join us here. See you in 2022, everyone.